This is a Peugeot 505 phase 1. That's a 1979 to 1984 model. So this belongs to a client, so he wants me to have the car do some restoration. The car runs anyway, but it needs a lot of work to be done. And number one, we need to rebuild this engine. In fact, basically, with the next engine we are putting is going to look like a different engine, because changing the block, changing the crankshaft, everything new. A new engine block, new crankshaft, new piston and sleeve, rings. We'll look at the cylinder head when we remove the engine, and then remove the cylinder head to know the condition. If it's not good enough, then we may put another one, use one though. So basically doing restoration, I'll call it that. You're also changing the gearbox. I'm going to show you guys. What currently the car has a 4-speed manual gearbox, which I believe is BA74. I'm not sure, but I expect it to be. So we are putting a new BA75 as a new gearbox. So when we get there, we'll know the things we are going to replace outside the engine. Like he also considering to change the radiator. Well, we'll see. And so let's show you guys the ones that are here for now. So this is a new engine block that's going to be used. This is a new gearbox, 5-speed manual gearbox. This is a brand new one, BA75. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to start it now and find out how it's going to run. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I used to own a 505 with this dashboard. Actually, two. I've owned two 505 with this. Probably do a video on the second one. So right now, I actually have like I've used 4 505, or I purchased 4 505. Anyway, I'll get to you guys later on that. So let's focus on this one. So I'll need to go and add fuel. As you can see, it's almost 0. So let's see if we start. Carburetor doesn't behave like injection. Well, it takes a while for the fuel to come up. I've been sleeping for a while now. Alright. Let's see what that fuel will come up to the fuel filter. Let's start from there first. Not yet. Are you sure there's fuel in this car? Interesting. But I know I drove and parked it here, so no fuel. I'll try and see if it doesn't. I have one small fuel I have, like 2 liters. See if I can pour it, but the car fuel can't just dry in the tank because I know I drove it, packed it before. The car didn't go off on its own, so the fuel should be able to come up. But that was days ago. Alright. I think that's it. All you have to now. So put some fuel. Okay, just come on. Roger. I think probably the fuel pump is also weak. If it's taking it this long to come on, then there might be something wrong. Actually 2 fuel filters here. So I should start in probably 2 or 3 more crank. The engine should start. So that reminds me, I'm even considering to do that. To put out this small carburetor electric fuel pump. It helps once you park a car for a long time. The immediately you crank it to start running. The only disadvantage is usually run it to ignition switch. So meaning that anytime I switch on ignition, the fuel pump starts running. So that's the only disadvantage on that. Other than that, but then you have to, I will look at the system, see if it's something I can install on mine. But what I noticed about carburetor, if you park the car for maybe you drive it, leave it overnight, the next day, immediately you start, it to start. But once you leave it for days, the fuel in the carburetor will dry off. The one on the fuel tank line pipe will go back to the tank and the rest. So by the fuel comes up to the engine, it takes a lot of crank. So we'll see. So that electric fuel pump makes sense. But I know there should be a way for the pressure to be returning so that when the engine is not running, it doesn't go and shoot inside the fuel, inside the carburetor, even though there's something there that is supposed to stop fuel from coming in when it's full. There is the tank inside is full. The sweat. Yeah. I hope this battery doesn't die on me. Should be able to start now. Yeah. This is killing my reality. Definitely the fuel pump is weak. You're going to take it this while to get into the carburetor. The fuel pump is weak. I don't know, even the 2 fuel filter, it shouldn't restrict the flow of fuel to the engine. So, we look at all that. We're actually going to change the fuel pump. Either it's the fuel pump or there is a rod that comes from the camshaft that operates the fuel pump. So that rod sometimes it wears out. When it wears out, it affects it reduces the fuel or pressure that passes through the fuel pump to the carburetor. So this is the mechanical fuel pump. So this locks the other. Anyway, we look at all that while rebuilding the engine. So likely change the pump or change the rod, whichever one. Okay, so I'll give you guys updated. Oh, I need to go and buy fuel. I'm at Total filling station now. About to pay for the fuel. How much are you selling? It's a 978 Naira. Okay. So, that's a bit 10 liters of fuel. Then I'll be on my way out. Well, 10,000 Naira should be approximately maybe 10 point something liters. We'll see. This is really 10 liters. It's 10.2 liters. Just make small move. Spending it to go a little more than this. I think the fuel tank is 50 liters. So, anyways, so I'll be on my way now to Lube. That's where the workshop is. Alright. Yeah, Yeah, I'm now on the Luba Expressway. So, the engine is still, it still has some power, the current old engine of the car. But even the clutch rate I was thinking is very weak. I don't think it's that bad based on the way it accelerates. But of course, when we remove everything, we'll look at them. So, we'll see. Yeah, I'm here now at the workshop. As you can see, other Peugeot cars. So, this is for sale, for. So, if I'm interested, I see the number here. Alright, for pickup. This is also, no, this is 504 pickup. These are all 504. Likewise this one, these are, you can see the ones that are rebuilding the engine. So he's the one that's going to do the work. You can see this one is dismantling basically everything. So he's the one that's going to do that. Rebuild.
Not for you.
So you don't want to go online? I snap you. Don't worry. So, okay. So, we're going to update you guys once the work starts, and we'll see. So, of course, like I said, the oil is actually coming out, I think, from the distributor. Something is wrong somewhere down there. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here, and we'll see when the work starts. We'll see when the engine is open. We'll see how bad those components inside are. But I will say, even on my way here, because I have to drive on the express. So as you guys can see, the engine still has some juice inside. Still got some power, you know. But we'll see what happens eventually when everything is dismantled. Okay, so keep you guys updated. Oh, watch out for more the next video, which is when the work starts. So like and subscribe to the channel and the video, and I encourage you to follow this review, and if possible, if the owner can afford, can change this bonnet, because the bonnet is already weak, and this fender too. I think they have it here, so discuss with the man, the seller here, Paul. Discuss with him. If he has it, then if the owner of this car can afford it, he can, they discuss, and because the rest of the body not that bad. Okay, so this is the new crankshaft that we're going to use for the work. This is the old model, right? Old model. So this is what I see that so this is the old model crankshaft. You see that too. Okay, so I'm going to use it. Yes, Pastor. Aha, this does the oil pump. This one is it the okay. You got sausage here. Okay. I'm thinking. come out to sign now. Someone looking for this thing. Okay. So get a while to find this thing. Okay, so yeah, that's what we are going to use.